Hi, I'm Riley from the Center for Arkansas Farms and Food, and today we'll be talking about organic potting mixes. So what makes a potting mix organic? An organic potting mix would not contain any prohibited substance. This usually applies to things like conventional fertilizers or wetting agents. Most ingredients found in most potting mixes happen to be of natural origin, things like peat moss or vermiculite. How would you know if a potting mix is certified organic? You can look for the OMRI stamp on your product's label. OMRI stands for the Organic Materials Research Institute. The other way you can find out if a product is approved organic is to talk with your certifier. Chances are, if a product is not advertised as organic, you can safely assume that it is not. For example, if we look at the ingredients on this product, most of the ingredients are of organic origin. However, we see that there is a commercial wetting agent in this product. So what commercial organic potting mixes are available? There are many different potting mixes available, including those made by companies like Fox Farm and some that you see in front of me. Other larger scale potting mixes include Vermont Compost Company's Fort V Mix. They also include Berger OM2 and Sunshine Organic Mix. Potting mixes also come in a variety of sizes, from bags to pallets of bags, and even to larger slings like you see here on my left. These large slings can be cost prohibitive to ship. In order to drive that cost down, you can talk to your local farming co-op or split a bulk order with other farmers in your area. What are the benefits to making your own organic potting mix? Many growers will choose to buy commercially available products to save time. But making your own can be less expensive and can also let you have more control over the quality of your mixture. You can fine-tune it to your own needs. For example, if you're going to soil block, you can make a mix that might be better than what is commercially available for soil blocking. The foundation for modern potting mixes is sphagnum peat moss, which is a naturally occurring moss that is sustainably harvested from bogs. Peat moss is essentially 100% organic matter and gives a mix its structure in addition to water holding capacity and ability to retain nutrients. Perlite is the second most common potting mix ingredient, which is made from crushed volcanic rock. It is very lightweight and functions to improve aeration and increase the drainage of a mix. Vermiculite is another lightweight mineral component of some potting mixes used in place of or in addition to perlite. Vermiculite is an expanded silicate mineral that will actually retain nutrients and increase the water holding capacity of a mix due to its structure. Limestone is a common potting mix additive used to adjust the pH of a mix, since the peat moss used is naturally acidic. Compost or vermicompost can be added to a mix to improve water retention, add nutrients, and inoculate your mix with beneficial microbes. Many studies have showed that even small amounts of vermicompost can improve seed germination in a potting mix. Common organic fertilizers that are added to a mix include blood meal for nitrogen, bone meal for phosphorus, and green sand for potassium. Rock dust powders such as azomite can be added as a source of micronutrients and trace minerals. See our video description for a link to the ATRA publication on potting mixes that goes over even more potting mix ingredients in depth. Once you know how the different components of a potting mix can change its blend, you can start to add or subtract things according to your purposes. For example, if your potting mix is too heavy, you can add some perlite to lighten it up. If your potting mix dries out too quickly, you can add vermiculite to retain some of the moisture. Or if you're going to soil block and you need it to hold up better in that environment, you can add sand. What are some other ways that you can improve a commercial potting mix? You can add vermicompost at 5% volume to increase your germination rate. You can also buy a low fertility potting mix blend and add your own fertilizer mix. And finally, you can add biological inoculants to help your plants uptake resources and nutrients better. As you can see, organic potting mixes can be as simple or as complicated as you would like. Thanks for joining us in this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow along as we continue to talk more about organic farming.